In a world obsessed with doing more in less time, Cal Newport's slow productivity challenges us to rethink the way we approach work and success. It's a bold yet refreshing idea in today's fast paced culture. So, what is slow productivity? Newport argues that our modern obsession with maximizing output often leads to burnout, shallow work, and little true progress. Instead, he suggests focusing on fewer, more meaningful goals over a longer period, prioritizing quality over quantity. One of the book's core principles is deep work, the idea that dedicating uninterrupted time to complex tasks create far greater results than constantly multitasking or responding to distractions. Newport highlights how slow productivity can help us achieve more but in a sustainable, fulfilling way. The book also touches on the importance of rest, reflection, and aligning your work with what truly matters. Newport draws on real world examples and research to show how slowing down can actually lead to breakthroughs and innovation. What I loved most is that slow productivity isn't just about work, it's about living intentionally. Whether you are a professional or a creative or just someone feeling overwhelmed, Newport offers practical strategies to slow down while still moving forward. If you are ready to embrace a more thoughtful approach to productivity, check out Slow Productivity. I have linked the book in the description, and you can also listen to it as an audiobook for free with an Amazon Audible trial. What's your take on productivity? Have you ever tried slowing down to achieve more? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't read this book yet, it might just change how you work. Thank you so much for watching.